a simple way to structure your arguments and make them more convincing? Try the if-then method. It's a logical technique that can help your points make sense and connect smoothly, making it easier for your audience to follow and agree with you. The if-then method connects two related ideas. If something happens, then something else will happen as a result. For example, if you're debating why schools should have longer lunch breaks, you could say, if students have more time to eat and relax during lunch, then they'll be more focused and productive in the afternoon. You're showing how one thing, a longer lunch, leads to a positive outcome, better focus. But you can take this even further. You can break it down into smaller parts, like this. If students only have 20 minutes for lunch, then they don't have enough time to eat and relax. If they're rushed through lunch, then they'll come back to class tired and distracted. But if we extend lunch to 40 minutes, then students will have more time to recharge, leading to better academic performance. See how each step logically built on the last? This method can make your arguments feel stronger because it creates a chain of reasoning that's easy to follow. Try using the if-then method in your next debate to build powerful, logical arguments. For more debate tips like this, don't forget to follow us and explore our classes for beginners.